Hey everybody, I'm Cameron McNeil, and for activity 5, and we was to ask our parent, grandparent, or caregiver what their meal times were like when they were growing up. So I decided to talk to my mom when doing this one, and so for her when she was younger, growing up, um, she said my grandpa and grandma used to take her to like a restaurant at like 6:30 most mornings. They went to the same restaurant and ate breakfast at the same restaurant almost every morning when she was younger, her and her sister. And she said that a lot of times they would only eat like 2 meals a day. They did like real early in the morning before school or something, and then shortly after school, like 4, 5 o'clock. And when they were younger, they would also, during the evenings, when they went out to eat for dinner, they would go to the same restaurant. They'd eat the same 2 places very often when they were younger. And so they ate out a lot. It was my mom, her sister, my grandma and grandpa. That was usually, they were all together when they were eating for the most part. And then she said as she got older, got into high school, and her and her sister were able to drive more, go get groceries and stuff like that, my mom would cook for my grandma and grandpa and her sister. They started eating at home a lot more, have just traditional meals at the table. And so it did a complete flip from when she was younger to when she got into high school and was able to drive and cook for herself. And so when it comes to the food rules aspect of when my mom was younger, she said, like when they would go out to eat at the restaurants, the only rule there was that she had to eat whatever she ordered, and there was no restrictions on what she could eat. There was just, if you ordered it, you had to eat it.